It's Mark with Tucson Biz Info, and we're here at Channel 9, December 2013, with Mr. John Glazer, who's the head of the advertising department here. I really love his work, and he's helped me many times. And we're here with Marina Martindale, author of her new 3 books, The Reunion, The Deception, and The Journey. And we're lucky enough to have Mr. Glazer explain how to advertise on TV to Marina Martindale, and he's right here and going to explain the importance of advertising on TV and all the logistics. And Mr. Glazer, take it away.
Thank you. First off, I do want to say it's an honor to have you with us today.
Well, thank you. It's an honor to be here.
We appreciate it. The biggest point I'd like to make is that when we're talking about KGUN 9, we're talking about Journal Broadcasting. We're the largest media company in Tucson, and we represent 2 TV stations, KGUN 9 and CW 58. We have the Morning Blend program. We have our 3 digital side channels, and we also represent 4 radio stations: Mix FM 94.9, The Groove, ESPN Tucson, and The Truth 104.1. Each one has a website, so when we're talking about Journal Broadcasting, we're talking about a lot of different media assets, and we can reach a lot of different people. Unduplicated audience on a weekly basis. When we combine all of our assets together on a weekly basis, we can reach over 1.1 million people in a week. Unduplicated audience, 1.1 million different people. So when we talk about trying to reach out to the Tucson business community or to the community in general, Journal Broadcasting can certainly do that for you. We like to use the umbrella approach of using all of our assets together, bringing all of them under one umbrella. The asset of 1.1 million people is pretty powerful.
Indeed. Now, for example, can we go ahead and do a demographic breakdown for what my readers would be? I'm looking for well-educated female readers, say, 25 to 65. Can we target that demographic?
Absolutely, and we can use all the different assets to do that. Mix FM, with the target of working women, is going to be a great asset to do that with. We'll reach them throughout the day when they're at work, and we can use that radio station to do that. The Groove, although it's a jockless, it reaches a smaller audience, is very well targeted to a little more affluent audience. And then with our television programs, we can really focus on going to specific programs that women watch. Something like Ellen on KGUN 9 is going to really target that woman. Some of our news products will do that. On the CW, we have very specific programs that are going to cover that 25 to 44 age group and really be female oriented. So between the formats of radio and the programs on TV, we can absolutely
hit that. And that's good to know, and I confess, I listen to the Mix myself, so I must fit in that demographic.
You're an affluent woman. Well-educated, affluent woman.
Well, I must be well-educated, writing books. So that helps. I did pass freshman English.
Yeah. So what we like to say is that no matter where we're trying to go, we can deliver an audience to you that you're trying to reach.
I'd like to thank you, Marina Martindale, for meeting with me and meeting with Channel 9. And for readers that want to read her new books, go to marinamartindale.com, or you can find her information on TucsonBizInfo.com. So, and thank you much, Mr. Glazer, and thank you very much, Ms. Martindale.
Thank you, Mark. It was a pleasure being here.
All right, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay.